So it's Monday today, just on my way in to the studio. Gonna have to unpack after the market over the weekend and then hopefully try and get those Starbags finished today. That's the plan anyway. Okay, so I'm just working on the new Starbags. I have it to this stage. I'm just going to add the straps for the handle. I'm having so many issues with my sewing machine over the past few days. Something to do with tension. I've basically lost hours trying to figure it out. But yeah, I'm working on that one and I have one finished here. So I really love this fabric. It shines. I don't know what the name of those kind of fabrics are. Maybe someone knows, where they just they nearly have two tones to them. Yeah, so I have enough to make 2, maybe 3 of the bags in this color. I have to photograph this one, get that online, and that one is a custom order. So yeah, as always the studio is freezing, so I find myself just like standing over the radiator constantly. Okay, and there is the second bag done. Morning, it is Friday. I can't remember when I last picked up the camera. I'm packing orders today. Let me show you how far I have gotten. Kind of haven't really picked up the camera lately because my sewing machine was not working for like 3 days straight. And I finally fixed it. It was like the tension, but I just didn't know what to do basically, and tried lots, but I finally got it fixed. I have loads of gift bags ready to go, so I'm going to get everything packed. These are for charms and this is for Starbag. I'll move you back a little bit. So let me show you what's ordered. I just put these up at the end of last week, and this one's already ordered. It's one of the new Starbags in the kind of brown satin. Yeah, so I'm going to get this packed up now. Yeah, I really like how these ones look. I think the structure really works well, kind of holds its shape lovely, and yeah, they're just something fun. So one of these is ordered, and also a charm to go with that has been ordered. Let me get that now. Okay, so here's the bag, and I also got the charm that was ordered for this order here as well. And this was actually one of my favorite ones that I made, so I'm really happy that it's going together because I think they look really nice together, really cute. But this just has a clip, so it can be added to another bag or a keyring or anything like that. So that's that order. And the second order is for a charm on its own. This one is the leopard print with like the silver detail. So yeah, I'm going to get that packed up too. So there is the order together. I'm just going to make sure that there's no loose threads or anything, and then we're going to get it packed. So here are my gift bags. I use these to pack the orders in. So the small one I'm going to put the charms in, and then the big one will be for the Starbag. Okay, so Oh, everything needs tags as well. Okay, I've just added on the label, so I'm going to get it packed now. Okay, so now we've got to pack this. I'm going to pack the charms separate. I have my label to add on. So I'm just packing the charm for the second order. Is that charm ready to go? Okay, now the Starbag, which means go make sure all the stitches are fine, go through, inspect, and then we'll pack it. Okay, so I have just gone through the bag and like snipped any kind of loose threads and everything like that. So now I'm ready to pack it. So there's that order ready to go with the thank you note, and that's the second order ready to go with the thank you note. Okay, so I've got everything packed up and I'm just running around to the post office to get these orders sent. So just on my way to the post office now. Okay, so I'm back in the studio. I'm not going to stay much later because it's already pretty late, but I would love to finish this bag that I started. I think I showed you the throw that it's made from. So I need to make the lining and the handles. So hopefully I'll get this finished, photographed, and then I'm going to leave. Finally done. Sorry, my jumper looks quite similar to the bag. Get it tied. Right, then I'm photographing it and I am leaving.